All right, welcome back. Good Wednesday evening to you all. Pretty weather so far this week, and the rest of the work week doesn't look so bad. Live shot outside of Helena, 78 degrees, northwest wind, still a little on the gusty side, up to about 24 miles per hour. Great Falls, a mix of clouds and sun today, but overall pretty day, 73. West winds at 22 mile per hour gusts here. A little cooler air the farther west you go here. We've got a little minor cooler air mass moving into the state here on the heels of north and northwest winds. The wind won't be as bad for the state here tomorrow. And once again, just a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms down here in the southern part of the state. Big storms blowing through Billings and right along I-90. Once again, it seems like in the mountains south of Interstate 90, that's where we're seeing most of the state's activity. Looking across the country, last night's little system that brought the storms to southern Montana is now moving out into the northern plains. And looking across the country, yes, there are a string of severe thunderstorm boxes across parts of the state. Those are those yellow boxes, but pretty typical here for the beginning of June to see such electricity with the thunderstorms in parts of the country. Tropical system, a tropical storm. This is Cristobal. Not very strong here just yet. Winds of 45 miles per hour. It is actually moving south for the time being, and it will eventually curve back around to the north, head back over the Bay of Campeche into the Gulf of Mexico and make its way northward late this weekend into early next week. Could make landfall somewhere along the Gulf Coast of the United States. Something certainly worth watching, and we've got a pretty big storm ahead of us here in Montana. Now, the next few days still the calm before the storm. A couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, especially up here north of Great Falls off the Rocky Mountain front out across north central Montana. Some isolated thunderstorms. Not everybody will see that, but really fairly calm, all things considered. Then heading into Friday, a couple of thunderstorms, including right around the Helena area, down through Bozeman, out there around Missoula as well. Could have a couple of isolated thunderstorms on Friday. Saturday, remember the early bird gets the worm here this weekend. Early on, looking pretty good for most of the state, with the exception of the northwest corner here. But by the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms developing, and there may be a nasty, severe weather into the eastern part of the state later Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening with some big-time supercell thunderstorms pushing through that area. Sunday, also not so bad. There are some dry spots in the state, but watch what happens heading into the afternoon and the evening hours. Rain, thunderstorms, and mountain snow will be pushing back into the state here. Look at this, heading through Sunday night into Monday morning. Snow down the Continental Divide here. There will be snow, likely all the way down to mountain pass levels Sunday night and Monday, with some heavy rain in the lower elevations of the state. This storm slowly moving out Monday night into Tuesday, but it's this storm that could produce the heavy rain, possibly leading to flooding if we get 1, 2, even 3 inches of rain and maybe a couple of feet of snow, feet plural, of snow into the mountains. By Sunday night, that's when that transition starts to take over. Through Monday into Monday night, when we see those darker shades of purple, we could be talking about a couple of feet. Here's the forecast for tonight. Lows a little cooler than last night, down into the 40s for many locations here across the state. Partly cloudy skies, almost a full moon. That's coming up in a couple of days. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Statewide, an isolated thunderstorm up here around Cut Bank, Great Falls, Havre, everywhere in between, and also down in the southern part of the state. It's a pretty nice day tomorrow. Not too bad on Friday either. A couple of thunderstorms out here in the western part of the state, maybe as far east as Lewistown. Then Saturday, early on, a lot better than later on here, as showers and thunderstorms likely come through. If you're watching up from the northeast part of the state, severe weather potentially here, likely as we get through late in the afternoon, the evening. And then Sunday, starting out okay, cooler day, but we'll have that rain and thunder moving in through the afternoon and the evening. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. The calm before the storm, not much more of it. Saturday afternoon, Sunday afternoon into Monday, some heavy rain, much cooler temperatures, and mountain snow. The storm will move out Tuesday and Wednesday. And for Great Falls, enjoy the next few days, because at times the weekend, not so enjoyable.